Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for GALA, we are trading at 0.01895. 24-hour volume, we're up 10%, and market cap, we're down 0.85%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we've got a symmetric triangle chart pattern, which we are continuously making a lot of higher low peaks and lower highs as well. So as we can see in the last 3 days, we had very vicious selling features here for GALA, especially this candlestick here, where we see most of the body above 50%. But if we are going to end in a red candlestick here, it is only going to drive the price closer down to our trend line and potentially may break through the trend line, coming down to a potential target of 127 of our fib chart at 0.01704. Now that's worst case scenario if we do not hold this trend line, and if we're able to hold on to support, then the next course of action is attempting to close above our 61% of our fib. We can see ultimate pullbacks or corrections in the marketplace as we are considered as oversold here with the RSI. However, if we do see this white line come below our pink line itself, then it is going to trigger a sell signal, and we may see that price drive all the way down to this trend line. Let's take a sneak peek in our 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame here, we are most likely going to get rejected from our 20 MA. So we can see our 20 moving average here. We can get 61% of our fib. We can see multiple rejections at the 61, could barely break above it and close above it with our candlesticks here. And again, attempting to try to break above the 20 MA in today's 4-hour candle. And I'm most likely going to say that we may not actually break through it. The reason why I say that is that our MACD indicator here is very stagnant. It's not looking like we're going to have a huge increase of the momentum. It looks like it's going to stay very minimal. And if we want a type of breakout near our 61% of our fib, or more importantly, our 20 moving average, we will essentially need to see two things: is the momentum increase, also volume increase as well. And we're not getting that supported uptrend with the volume. So most likely we are going to come back down and test two areas of support. So we've got support number one is essentially around our volume profile at the outskirts here. So we can see support number one here at the bottom of 0.0187. Again, a few of our candlesticks here coming down to an area of support, or most importantly, our next retracement line here, where we see a few of our nodes that are sticking out. Here is the target for our secondary support of 0.0184. So that is 4 hours time frame. Quickly taking a look at 2 hours of our time frame as well. So again, our volume profile is showing a target coming up to an area of resistance of 0.01916. Now, if we take a look at a few factors here, yes, the MACD indicator does show darker green colors, but essentially the trend and momentum is not strong enough. If we take a look at all of these darker green colors, this is essential to have the momentum increase as strong as we want to be able to break through a few barriers of our resistance line. If we're not going to have enough of these histograms gradually growing bigger and just stay very stagnant like this, what we see, then most likely price is going to come up only up to this area of resistance and then come down to an area of support. And again, where we can see the support is our volume profile. We can see again 0.01851 with these two nodes that are sticking out around our 78% of our fib. And lastly, our RSI here. As we can see, it's getting 93% with the candlestick only resembling this candlestick. So most likely we are going to see some pullback and corrections in GALA today. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time.